welcome to Nature's Way. Today we are gonna go through the forest, over a river, and back to the other side. So let's start a tour. I forgot what this forest is called, but we'll make up a name for it. It's called Platypus. I don't know why I chose that name, but I like it. Okay, now we're gonna come to a very cool snack very soon. Oh, I see it. Oh yes. Oh yes. Now, if you're ever stuck in Platypus, you look for this. You look for this.
Just keep going. I think you're close. We got a 6. Okay, go.
Yeah, look for this. And it has a great taste to it. It is sour apple, kind of like the Jolly Rancher.
Mr. Mullins class.
Like Mr. Mullins class. And just a little nibble. Oh, crikey! The beast.
Rhino.
The rhino.
Play dead. Let the herd pass.
They found Agnes.
Humans! Ah!
They're leaving. They fell for my trick.
Oh jeez. Oh lord. That's right, we're coming to a river next, so I'll just take a bath in it. So anyways, oh, there's dirt in my palm. Anyways, on our journey, here we come to the bridge. Oh, what? Oh, these are butter snappers, and don't eat these because these can eat you. All right, these things are dangerous. They have wide mouths and they open up like this, and then they just eat you whole. So watch out for those. Now, this is a bridge that my forefathers made. Actually, I'm not African, but some Africans in Africa a really long time ago made these for them to travel across the rivers on. They're pretty great. They're nice and sturdy, but only one at a time, please. One at a time. Oh, people sleep underneath these so they don't get burnt. It's very bad. UV rays are bad. Oh, and here we are coming to one of the most important leaves in the world. These leaves are hot, ladies and gentlemen. African Americans used to use these a really long time ago for hot, to keep away from the UV rays. People were smart. So here we go. Oh, what is this? This? Let me smell it. Seta. I love Seta. Let me smell this one. Seta. I love Seta. I hug Seta because it's my friend. Seta is my friend. Did you know that if you pee on Seta, it turns purple? I'm not even kidding. It's amazing. Oh, in India, they make hats out of these babies right here, and other jewelry, like necklaces and bracelets, but mostly hats, and they were beautiful. I wish I had one right now to show you what they look like. This is River of Akhman Ra. Now, Akhman Ra River is very, very important in the history. It's a beautiful river. It's very dangerous. You do not want to get caught in this. Crocodiles will just eat you alive. They love humans. And here we go. Here's some pine cones. Oh, geez. Here we go. Crossing the river. Crossing the river. Slippery when wet. Okay, here we go. Alright. Oh, did you hear that? That was a hippo. You better play dead when you see the hippos. Remember that. Oh, jeez. They're coming. Wait. That's no hippo. That is one of the most rarest species in the world. And I found it. I found it. This is called the Madman. And, oh, don't let it bite you. Oh, God. It was so close. But, I'm serious about these. If they bite you, you're gone. You're gone. There's the poison inside their mouth. See the vein? See the little veins right there? Like vampires on a rock. And they go like this. Like that. Just like Charlie. And the reason they're called Madmans is because they usually have mean eyebrows. They look like the devil. Watch out for the devil. So yeah, they live in jungles or high grass, usually. Yeah, but they're dangerous. Watch out for them. And I'm gonna breed my partner, McFeagle, next.
Hi guys! Oh, I'm McFeagle. Welcome to Nature's Way. Thank you for watching Lily. Lily's so great. Oh man. Today we're going to be adventuring the wonderful forest. I say it's wonderful. She says it's ugly. Ugly? No. Cedar tree, beech tree hugger. Oh. I love tree. Of course. I love tree. Okay. But we must cross the river again. Okay, let's go. It's slippery. Oh, very wet. You want to be careful. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Oh, we got to an inland. It's just a few rocks, but it's very safe. Very safe. You're cute. Very treacherous. Watch out. Oh, wait a minute. I'm swimming. Oh my God. Oh, this tree saved my life. I love you, tree. Oh, I love you, tree. Oh, you're cute. I love you, tree. Oh, I love you, tree. Oh, there's a pond. The pond. You have little fishes in it. You fish? You cook it, eat. You eat. It's good for you. That's nutrition. No. I decided to get a walking stick with treacherous terrain. I tell you, it's lots of fun. Can you jump it? Oh. No, you're keeping like that. Okay, let's go across here. And there's these pretty flowers, but the flowers are dangerous. These flowers are known as preppy flower. Okay, yeah, because it represents Abercrombie, Hollister, Chanel, and all those other ones. And very dangerous. It turned into a total popular person, and the media's like, wow, well, all over you. It's not good. Okay, let's go. You be very safe here though. With me, oh Lily. Lily good. Oh my gosh, I found these flowers right here. And these are, oh man, forgot the name. But I know the description. Well, you see them, but what they do? They give you power, like Sonic, or Batman, or Hulk, or Mario. Mario give you power too. You jump on mushroom, and you get boom. One up. Yeah, one up. Okay. Let's go. Oh, pardon me, I haven't wet it. Oh, look! A forest! Oh! Oh! Let's go and find some trees. Oh, okay. Yummy! I love these plants. I'm Irish. I eat this. All gone. So good. Oh, healthy for you too. Don't eat too many though. You all over projectiles. Oh no, there's a monkey. There's a monkey. You see it? Okay, yeah, no, it's white monkey. It's hard to see. Oh. Did you hear that? That's his mating call. Oh, man, we never got this on film before, but this is so amazing. Oh, I tell you what, if I can touch that monkey, I'll bring it so hard. Oh, no, it's not turning on. No, I'm not breaking the law. Bestiality is wrong. Let's go find some more stuff. What's this? Is this my lovely friend? Fun mouse. And Mr. This is Fun Mouse. It works for clothing, but it'll be too, but keeps you warm during the winter. It's just great. You can raise your children and lay them as an egg. Oh, not human children, but more like animal. I say. It's so gorgeous out here. I invite you to come. You come, and I give you free food. But only if you like sushi. And Miss, can you tell me what this room is that? Oh no, this isn't a witch channel. This is wild. No, not magic. It's wildlife channel. You kid. Oh no, what's this? We must go look. Oh, it's the scarred tree. It fights so fierce. I tell you, you never want to touch one, but I'll show you it just 'cause I love you. That's a scarred tree. It gets in fights and it gets scars, and it's dangerous. Scarred tree. Joking. This is like stuff that they put on your plate. But this stuff, you don't eat it. You eat it, you pee it. Oh. Yeah. Oh, look at it. It looks like kind of the leaf. But no, that stuff hurts. That stuff hurts. Okay. Oh no! It's a baby prince. It's a baby prince. Yeah. Cool. That means a baby been around here. Baby very dangerous. You never want to be around it. Ever. Okay, yeah. Oh. Oh! Now, this flower, it's purple. It smells great too. Very little. Very little. But it smells so good. Your wife will like. Oh yeah, your wife will like. Much. No. Oh no! I see a cobra in the corner. No! Not it! Crikey! This is a beast! I got it! I got it! Caught it by its mouth. Do you see those fangs? Those fangs are long. Ah! Oh no! It's gonna strike! It's so. Oh! I saved myself. That was so close. Oh man, this is very rare to see one. Very rare to see one. But I love you, snake. So I'm gonna let you free. I love you, snake. Oh, we gotta get out of here before it goes insane on us. Let's go. Come on. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I think we're safe now.